Hi, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Cheryl Jansen, Director of Global Marketing for Sopheon. Thank you for joining us. Today's webinar is titled Principles of Lean and Fast NPD. With the increasing pressure for faster time to market, today we're going to explore how you can go beyond traditional stage gate process and improve the speed, agility, predictability, timeliness for Lean NPD. So I'd like to introduce our two speakers today, Mike Tennity and Iain King. Mike is Managing Consultant for StageGate International USA's Value Center. He specializes in driving value through innovation and new product development, and his experience and practical approach allows him to manage change and create structures and solutions that generate sustainable performance improvement in both large enterprises and small companies. Our second presenter today is Iain King, who's Global Enterprise Services Leader for Sopheon. Iain has over 15 years of experience designing and implementing knowledge-based innovation solutions. He's a certified new product development professional and has worked with leading companies worldwide to assess and improve the performance of their innovation management and governance processes. So thank you both for joining us today, and I'll let you get on the road.
Thank you, Cheryl. Top of the morning to all. And saying thanks on behalf of Iain as well. Today's objectives are simple, straightforward. We'd like to share some ideas with you for streamlining and accelerating your process for developing new products. We're going to leverage heavily what enterprises have learned over the recent past in applying lean practices throughout their organizations, and certainly what they've proven and learned in the application of lean through manufacturing operations. We'll point to a few examples, stay focused on a few key ideas, and point to a few sources to follow up. So that's the objectives for today. Pretty straightforward and a conduit to dig into things deeper if you so desire. A little framework I think all of us can share, and that is the challenge we're likely all confronted with across the board, and that is to organically grow a business in a very competitive environment. And just a few references to this to make the point that there is a lot of shared interest and possibly stress amongst the members of this call, but fully 75% of corporate leadership are identifying innovation, organic development as a top priority for their company. The rate of product introductions continues to go up and trend in that direction. Innovation has become a very clear driver of value and is noted in annual reports and other assessments of corporate reputations. And I think we all know and seen a variety of evidences that the companies that are doing well today are in a large degree succeeding with an enviable pipeline of new product. And lastly, the repeat chairman at Procter & Gamble said it very well. It's a key path to their sustainable, profitable business growth. We are leveraging quite a bit from the lean adventure that I, again, anticipate many of the companies and organizations you are with have experienced. It's hard to believe it's been close to 30 years since the first studies around Toyota's production system, which really caused a revolution in manufacturing operations. And these notions of just-in-time, optimizing flow, identifying standard work, pull systems, these things have become deeply embedded in our organizations. The focus on organizational learning and eliminating waste and evening activities, not only in manufacturing operations, but I suspect many of you have seen this successfully applied elsewhere in business organizations. The lean office, the lean supply chain, lean accounting methods. are all examples of successful applications of those learnings, those now well-founded learnings. And similarly for new product development, let's face it, a lean manufacturing pipeline is certainly going to first and foremost identify a fat and excessive front end of product development, if that is the case. But we also have to exercise a little bit of care in simply applying practices as learned through the operation. Applying dogma straightforward, in fact, has not worked out well, and that's for a few reasons. New product development is very different business operation in many ways from some of the other areas where lean has been applied and been successful. Product development is not a truly reoccurring event. Every development can be different in significant ways sometimes. There is an element, a major element of risk and uncertainty and requirement of experimentation throughout the process. And new product development done well is intensely cross-functional. So it's very different. And Iain and I are not going to take a dogmatic approach. We're going to focus on a few tools that have been successful, help you understand a little bit why, stay focused on that high level, and again, and point to a few examples and point to some resources if you would